I'd like to introduce with you guys is someone, last time I can clearly remember, whenever I would introduce him up on stage, I would tell the people that lahat ng mga sakit sa mundo, na-acquire niya na. Na-acquire na nitong taong to. Why? Because last time he would always share his story. And he has a lot of diseases, this and that. From A to Z. Sometimes yung diseases, he has it all. He has everything. So that was his story back then. But the thing is, this person, I met him, I believe not here in Manila. I met this person when I was traveling to different places. And whichever place I go, this person is always very excited in sharing Portier, in sharing Riway to other people. So means to say, whichever place I go, regardless whether it be in Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. Sometimes we're in Tagum pa. He would set up an event, invite the business development, we will attend the event, and we would see sometimes 50 people inside the event, sometimes 100 people inside the event. But still, during that time, he's always very excited. Always set up the event, ask me, kamusta yung event? Now, if you ask me, from this person by right, I should be the one learning from this person. Why? Because he has a lot of experiences before Riway International already. But just recently, when I was able to attend one of his events in Mandaluyong. When I was able to attend one of his events in Mandaluyong, after the event, he had a chance to meet and group the people during that time. Meet the clients after the event, talk to them about Riway, talk to them about the opportunity of Riway International. And while I was looking at him, I realized something. This person really has a lot of experiences outside Riway International already. And if you ask me, there are some things that I should be learning from him based on his experiences alone. But the thing is, whenever I meet this person, whenever I talk to this person, he would still approach and ask me on what are the things that he can improve as a leader. He would ask me what are the things that he can improve whenever he go up on stage and share. And whenever he asked me like this, I would always feel that this person is a very good person already based on his experiences alone. Very good person already. By right, with his experiences, he shouldn't be asking me on what he needs to improve. But the thing is, up until now, he still wants to learn. He still wants to improve himself. He still wants to bring himself even to a higher level. To the point that each and every person that he meets is a learning experience from him. So, whenever I look at this person, I would realize something. This person has a very good learning attitude. Very good learning attitude. And because of this one, I invited him. I asked him if whether he could go up stage and share his story for our testimonial event. So, one more time tanungin ko muna lahat. Gising pa ba? Yes! Alive pa ba lahat? Yes! Mas very excited, because yung mga upcoming nating mga sharers, excited yung mga stories pa nila. Okay? So, I would like to, I don't want to take it longer. I would like to please help me welcome our next sharer. He will be sharing about his career inside Riway International. So please help me welcome our team leading Pavo, Mr. Jude Caro. Can we give him a big warm round of applause?
Wow! Good morning! Please give a round of applause our MC for tonight, Mr. Jan Asuncion. I feel nervous tonight because this is the second time to share sa ganito kadaming tao. First time sa Seda Hotel. Okay, before I proceed po, are you all excited? Yes! Are you blessed tonight? Yes! Bakit ko tinanong yung blessed kayo tonight? Kasi bakit? Out of 120 million population in the Philippines, ngayong gabi po nandito kayo. Tama? So meaning, you are blessed tonight. Bakit? Kasi maririnig niyo po yung real stories namin. Are you all excited? Yes! Okay, please give yourself a round of applause. Okay. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Epifanio Caro Jr. I am the owner of EDSA, the longest parking of the Philippines, EDSA. That's why every day stress po ako dahil sa traffic. Okay? Before I meet Rayway, tama si John. No, na-experience ko yung 21 different LDCs. And then ako po yung the first product of the product in North Cotabato, South Cotabato, and Sultan Kudarat. So meaning, nung gabing na-meet ko yung fourth year, hindi na po ako nang nagdalawang isip, kundi nung gabing yun, hindi ko na pinakawalan. Kasi bakit? Yung wife ko po, dahil na po sa brain tumor stage 4, 1 month na lang po yung timing niya. And then, ako po, na-express na po ako ng 3 days na ICU. And then, nakakomit na rin po ako ng 3 times suicide. Bakit? Kasi yung sakit ko po, dalawang klase po yung sakit natin. Pwedeng unahan ka niya, or pwedeng unahan mo siya. So pagod na ako, gusto ko siya unahan. Okay? So kahit gaano ka po kayaman ngayong gabi, kahit sino ka man ngayong gabi, pakinggan mo yung story ko. Para man lang magiging inspirasyon ako mamaya sa pag-uwi mo. Kahit gaano ka man kahirap na tao, diyan din ako galing. Dahil po ako isang anak din po na mahirap. Okay? Tubong North Cotabato, magsasaka. No? Pero dahil sa pangarap ko, bata pa ako, hindi po ako nag-give up. Every day, minomotivate ko yung sarili ko. Hindi lahat ng bagay sa buhay ko permanente. Lahat yan temporary. Okay? Every day, kung kaya ng iba, sa batang edad ko, kakayanin ko rin yun. Kasi bakit? Mahirap kami. Hindi ko pwedeng iaasa yung buhay ko sa tatay ko dahil bawag ang tatay, 10 kami magkapatid. So, kailangan ko himuwalay sa kanila para makapag-aral. Kaya lang, hindi po ako nakapagtapos ng college. No? Only first year college. Kaya lang, good thing, kahit hindi po ako tapos ng college, nakapagpatakbo naman ako ng 22 years na 6 branches ng sub-dealer of brand new cars nationwide. Meaning, hindi po dahilan ng kapag tapos ka ng pag-aaral para makapagpatakbo ka ng kumpanya mong sarili, tama? And then, dahil doon sa 6 branches ng company ko, doon ko po na-encounter yung 21 different LDCs. Alright? So, nung na-meet ko yung product, wala akong choice. Kasi, complete na ako eh. 26, 14 yung maintenance. Wala na. Kumusta na? Wala nang way out. Ito na yun. Nung gabi na tinay ko yung product, nag-effect sa akin, yung dati hindi ko makatulog ng 6 hours o 10 hours, nag-effect sa akin, 2 hours pa lang. Pag-take ko ng 2 capsule, nakatulog na ako ng 10 hours. So meaning, sabi ko, this is it. Ito na yung product na hinahanap ko sa buhay na makatulong sa aming mag-asawa. So sabi ko, hindi lang to para sa health ko. Yung intention ko that night is makatake kami ng product ng libre mag-asawa. Kasi, nung nag-commit ako suicide, sabi ko, kung mamatay po ako, sino yung magpapatapos ng mga anak ko? Sino yung gagastos at mag-asikaso ng wife ko? Gumauna ako sa kanila. Pero, God is good. In spite of na-experience ko yung lahat ng kwento ng buhay na yon, ngayon po, yung Rayway, isa na po siya sa naging negosyo ko. Okay? 2020, nung nag-rank up po ako ng Team Elite Pabo, nag-slow down po ako ng 21 to 23. So pumasok na ulit ako sa Rayway ng almost October 24. Meaning, during that time, I experienced scolded from Mr. Raymond Tong, and he also told me that you are stubborn. Stubborn guy. But thank you, Sir Raymond. Because of that, nabago ulit yung mindset ko. Please give Sir Raymond a round of applause. Every time na nagkakaroon po ako ng mga problema, every time po nagkakaroon ako ng panghinaan ng loob, Mr. Raymond, siya yung always nagbaback up sa akin. Do it, Rayway. Go back again, Rayway. So, nung pagbalik ko po, dalawang kamay, yakap ko din ako ni Tudor. So, sabi ko, this is it. Sabi ko, nung nag-start po ako, panay po ako reklamo sa sarili ko kasi bakit? Nagpunta po ako ng dalawang korporasyon ko na sarili po. So, CEO din po ako ng dalawang korporasyon. Kaya lang, yung difference between railway at saka corporation ko, ako lahat. Ako lahat gumagastos, everything akin lahat. No? The same doon sa company ko dati na 22 years yung pinatakbo, ako lahat. Okay? So, lahat gastos, rental office, empleyado, everything akin. Kaya nagka-stress po ako eh. Pero sa railway po, naka-ready na po lahat sa railway. Trainings, events, lahat po. Total package na po yung Railway International. Okay? Yung pala po reklamo ko sa sarili ko, kaya hindi ko po nakamove ulit to the next level ng rank kasi po, because of limiting belief. Nasabi ko, pagod na ako, hindi ko na kaya, gagawin ganyan. Pero the moment when I stopped making excuses, I started making progress. Nung nagsimula po ako, nag-training po ako ng Davao to CDO. Thursday, attend ako sa event ni Sir Rex Bugalaw. Hindi na po ako matutulog. Tutuloy na ako sa terminal ng Davao. Sasakay ko ng bus, doon ako matutulog. Para hahabulin ko lang yung training o yung event every Friday sa CDO. So, almost how many months kong nilalagari yun para ma-refresh ko yung sarili ko. Nagko-commute pa ako, kung may taga-bukid doon po dito, from Quezon, from Maramag to Quezon, na-experience ko po na umiiyak po ako sa bus because of my decision. So meaning, in every decision, there is a consequences. Nung pinarusahan ko sarili ko, yun na po yung naani ko. Pero nung bumalik ko sa railway, nag-start ulit ako, nag-build ulit ako ng team, binago ko yung pananaw ko, nag-build up ulit ako ng bago. Pagbalik ko sa railway, in just a matter of how many months, naka-produce ulit ako ng Star Achievers. Na 6 Star Achievers in just a matter of month of May. So meaning, our business is doable. Bakit? Kung nagagawa ko dati, na sobrang hirap, na wala pa kaming, nung nag-start kami po sa Kinabawan, wala pong opisina, wala pong testimonies, wala pong OPP. Twice na kami tinuruan ng OPP, pinakawalan na kami. Ibig sabihin, kung ngayon ko gagawin, mas magaan na. Okay? So ngayon, today, ang na-invite ko total, nadala ko po sa team natin ngayong gabi dito is nasa around 90 person na nandito sa loob ng team na to. So meaning, kung anong nagagawa ko dati, pwede ko nang gawin ulit. Regardless of my struggles, ano man yung hirap na pinagdaanan ko, pwede ko namang gagawin ulit yun. Malalagpasan pa rin ulit yun. Kasi bakit? Fighter po ako eh. Nung nag-commit ako suicide, wala na po akong ibang pangarap ng gabing yun, kundi mabuhay. Sabi ko, Lord, kung may purpose pa ako muli sa buhay kong to, bigyan mo ako ng chance na mabuhay muli. God is good. After 3 days, because of my purpose, binigyan niya ako ng chance na mabuhay. That's why, I'm here standing in front of you to share my stories. For the last 27 years, never po ako naka-experience na masakyan ko po o magamit ko po yung passport ko. Renew lang po ng renew. Pero nung dumating sa life ko yung railway, 2017, in just a matter of 1 month, nakuwalify po ako sa Singapore free. Ako po yung unang testimony ng purchase sa Kidapawan. Ako din po yung nakabenta ng 1 million sa Kidapawan the same month. So yung Kidapawan, maliit na city yun eh. Pero dahil po sa testimony ko, doon sa pagkakilala sa akin ng tao, kasi dealer po ko ng brand new cars nationwide, meron po ko 6 na branch doon. Kilala na po ko nila na every time na sinusundo ko ng ambulance sa bahay, inaatake na naman. So nung nalaman nila yung ganun ka-effective yung product, Yung mga may-ari ng hotel sa Kidapawan, namamakyaw ng millions. That's why Sir Raymond, na bumabasa to, na-amaze sa Kidapawan na napakalit mo itong Kidapawan, pero grabe ang sales dito. So nagagayahan yung mga may-ari ng hotel, million yung mga pinapurchase. Yung mga cancer patient doon, ngayon mag-asawa, still alive. No? So meaning, yung business ko, yung 6 branches ko na yun, pina-close ko na totally. Yung 2 corporation ko, pina-close ko totally. I'm doing full-time in Railway. Yung 22 years yung income sa Railway, as a dealer ng brand new cars, in-income ko lang po sa Railway ng 2 years. Ang kaganda sa Railway, wala ka pong stress. Wala ka pang binabayaran office. Diba? Wala kang binabayaran empleyado. Lahat naka-ready na. Gagawin mo lang, mag-join. Kaya nga yung gabi kung ikaw baguhan sa room na to, huwag ka na pong magdadalawang isip. Dahil inilaan sa'yo ng Diyos ngayong gabi, makilala mo kami. Mapapakuluman yung story namin. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa Railway, katulad mo rin ako mahirap pa rin. Pero binago ko yung isip ko, binago ko yung lahat, dahil may opportunity sa Railway. Kung ikaw ay gumagapang ngayon dahil sa sakit mo, simulan mong tumayo, umupo, gawin mo. Kung ikaw ay hindi makapagtakbo, simulan mong lumakad. Okay? Fine. Kasi bakit? Pag hindi ka lumaban sa health mo, pag naunahan ka, kawawa yung maging maiiwanan mo. Tama? Ang malupit dyan, kung bata pa yung asawa mo. Tama? Kasi kung bata pa yung asawa mo, ikaw nag-import lahat, ang swerte ni pare. Diba? Alam niyo po, mga baguhan po o leaders man, pag pinasok yung Railway, you need to take a risk. Bilang negosyante, kailangan mag-risk. Pag hindi ka risk taker, hindi mo ma-achieve yung goal, hindi ka magiging succeed sa lahat ng negosyo mo. Alam mo ba, kahit nung gumawa ka ng baby, nag-risk ka rin, di ba? Nakapikit ka pa nga eh. Tama? Mga tatay, nakapikit pa kayo, di ba? Kaya ako, nakagawa ko ng 3 eh. Kasi nag-risk po ako. Ano po, I would like to acknowledge my daughter, Diamond 3-star, Shane Martinez Caro, in his house. My son, Marine Engineer, Rex White Caro, Diamond 2-star. Yung puso ko po, kagagraduate lang, magna cum laude. Dahil po, nagsikap po yung tatay. Wala natapos yung tatay, pero binuhos yung panahon, pagkakataon para sa mga anak. The moment na hindi ako marunong mag-English, sila yung backup ko. Di ba? Oo. May backup na ako ngayon. Di ba? Kasi dati, natatagan ko mag-join sa mga international company. Pero ngayon po, wala akong choice. Kasi bakit? Kahit tumigil man ako, yung mga anak ko nandito. Wala akong choice. Kami na po, nasa Railway na. Lahat ng family ko, nasa Railway na. We are enjoying travel. Last time, nag-travel po kami sa Thailand. Sa Singapore nag-travel sila, Thailand. Kararating lang po namin. Hindi na po ako na-experience ng travel dati na tuloy-tuloy. Ngayon po, na-experience ko na po na libre. Diba, sa Railway lang po ngayon, matakamtan yung travel na libre. And then po, for the last, for almost 9 years, ano po, pag bibili niyo po yung product, hindi niyo po masustain. Mahal po yung product. Pero the moment na magiging advocate ka ng Railway International, ako po, for almost 9 years, lahat ng tinitake ko ng product ng buong family namin is free. Yung 21 different illnesses ko po, dati, 19 yung maintenance ko po. Ngayon po, for almost 9 years po, no more maintenance for more than 9 years. Dati po, labas-pasok ako sa ospital. Ngayon po, for almost 9 years, never na po ako na-hospitalize because of 40%. Dati po, hindi po ako makapag-push up, hindi po ako makapag-exercise because of my heart problem, angina pectoris, and then aneurysm. Ngayon po, pwede niyo po ka-challenge. Ang focus ako sa harap nyo, nakapatong sa bangko na nakamao, 15 push-up diretso. Because of 40%. Okay? So ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, kung ikaw nag-aalangan pa sa product na to, ask to the person who invited you. Dahil hindi kanya bibiguin. Kung hindi na naman ka dito na wala kang purpose, depende na yan sa'yo. Umalis ka sa bahay mo na nanalangin ka, matatagpuan mo yung pagpapabago ng buhay mo. Ngayon na nakaupo ka na dito, kinakalang buksan mo yung puso at isip mo. Dahil pag hindi yung gagawin, sa ayaw mo sa hindi, mag-join sa Riway, mag-take ng product, wala kaming choice, iiwanan ka namin. Whether you like it or not, tutuloy kami. Okay? Kasi po, wala na kaming ibang gagawin. Binuhos ko na yung time ko sa Riway, ibig sabihin, nandito na. Hindi ko sinasabi na the best na ako. Pero I'm doing my best. Okay? Para makabuild pa. Okay? So, yung goal ko sa Riway is to level up. Because overstaying na po yung Team Elite Pabo na rank ko. So, kinakailangan mag-step up, mag-fight ng fight every day. So, kinakailangan lalaban kami ng team para to hit Team Elite Pegasus soon. Right? So, I will do my best and God will do the rest. Thank you very much. God bless us all.